What up, y'all? I'm Bino the Investor, and every day I wake up is another 24 just to get the dough. I know y'all can get rich too, so let's go. We're gonna jump right into this video, y'all. Today I want to talk about certain type of people that you need to get out of your life. You need to save your personal energy. It's certain people around you, family or friends. Sometimes it can even possibly be the people that are closest to you. When you talk about ideas, brilliant things that you want to do, people do not like that. Now, if it's your significant other and y'all on the same page financially and want the same things in life, they will understand. But people that are not going after what you're trying to go after and trying to accomplish are not going to understand your way of thinking. You do not need to keep sharing your ideas with these people. I've been there where it feels like you want confirmation and you want to hear a congrats. I know how it feels, guys, to look for that reassurance from the people that you love very, very much, whether it's your friends or your family. You want that reassurance because it makes you feel good. It makes you feel like you're doing the right thing. But a lot of times these people have negative comments to say about what you're trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish because they have not done it. They've never tried it. They never had the mindset and the balls to really go after what you're trying to go for. So how can you take advice from these people? And how can we look for reassurance in these people that have never done what we're trying to do? Get away from these people. Save your energy. Save your energy to keep going after what you're trying to go after. The only person that you could truly depend on is yourself. So keep depending on yourself. Wake up early, keep learning, keep gaining knowledge. The only way you're gonna make them shut up is with success and keeping your mouth shut. Don't even share your ideas with these people. Now, I'm not saying you have to completely cut these people off unless you feel like you totally do. I've had to do it. You may have to do it too. If there's certain things that you can only talk about with these certain individuals, then just talk about those certain things. You're gonna have different people in your life that you have different types of conversations with. I know you've done it. So you go to school, you talk about all these things at school with your friends, and then you go home and you talk to your parents about different things. Put it just like that. If you were able to do that at one point in school, then you could do it now. Keep your mouth shut about certain things with certain people. You could still have a relationship with these people unless they are totally negative about everything in your life. Get negative people out of your life. You want as much positivity and reinforcement in your life as possible when you're trying to go after your dreams. Connect with people that have done what you're trying to do as well. That may mean cutting older people out of your life that no longer are for you because you're trying to solve new problems. And these people do not have the right energy and right info on the stuff that you're trying to do. This life is about you. Go after what you want to go after and stop sharing your ideas with negative people. They are never going to have anything good to say. They never have had anything good to say to you. So let them go. It's hard. I know it's hard. Sometimes you may love this person that has had nothing but negative stuff to say about everything you're trying to do. This is not going to make you feel good about what you're trying to go after. I have to keep my ideas from a lot of people. I had to learn that. Nobody wants to hear my shit all day because then you seem like a know-it-all as well. Stop fucking putting your energy into people that do not care. Start saving that energy and storing it and using it the next day when you wake up to go after your goals. Write your stuff down, write reminders down, make reminders in your iPhone, whatever you want to do to keep going after what you want to go after. Stop sharing your ideas, protect your energy at all costs. Because you need all the good energy you can get. Some days you're gonna wake up on the wrong side of the bed and you're not gonna feel as good as you did yesterday. But yesterday when you was feeling fantastic when you woke up, you picked up the phone, you called your friend, your buddy, your family member, and shared something brilliant with them, like a small accomplishment for your business or whatever, and they may have not had anything good to say. They may have had no reply at all. No reply at all sucks too. When I tell people about what I'm trying to do, I want to, especially if it was good, I want to hear them get amped up like I'm amped up. But that is not always the case. They may be going through something personal in their life. When you share some positive information about what you're trying to do personally with other individuals, whether it's family, friend, whatever, and they have nothing but negative things to say or no reply at all, that should tell you something immediately. And just know that it's a personal problem with them and it's not a problem with you. It's really hard to decipher sometimes if you're doing the right thing, because this negative person is not spreading positivity to you when you're sharing these ideas or sharing these little wins with these people. And I've been there where it's made me feel a certain way about what I'm doing, maybe thinking I'm not doing the right thing because this person didn't have anything positive to reply with. That is not the case. People get intimidated by your success. People are intimidated and fearful of reaching their own dreams. So how are they going to be able to congratulate you and reinforce you on what you're trying to accomplish? They can't. The answer is they can't. So keep going after your goals. Stop sharing every little thing that you're doing with negative people. And if you have to cut these people off, then cut them off. Cut them off. I promise you, if you go after your dreams and you let people go that you do not need in your life anymore, you are gonna get there faster. You do not need dead weight on your plate when you trying to go after extreme success. These people are gonna hold you down. Negative people do not need to enter your inner matrix. Stop letting negative thoughts enter your inner matrix. Certain people have been in your life for quite some time. They may have been in your life your whole life, and cutting them off is not going to be easy. But if you know it has to be done, then you have to do it to reach what you're trying to reach. The ultimate goal in life is to access full potential. If you're trying to get rich, you need to let certain people go. When you close one door, another one will open. That's just how life works. Do what you know you need to do, and the universe will bless you for that. The universe will give you things that you're trying to accomplish when you start doing personal homework. And that hard personal homework comes in when you have to cut certain people out of your life. I understand. I've been there. Do what you need to do, and you will start being successful. All of these things matter when it comes to accomplishing your goals and ultimately accessing a bunch of money. Get that positive energy in your life and excel and be excited to get to the next level. Get the people that ain't excited out of your life. With that being said, I'm Bino the Investor, and every day I wake up is another 24 just to get the dough. I know y'all can get rich too, so let's go. Peace, y'all.